hope you're having a great day, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, I am Ysay, and in my channel, I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my recent videos. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I create this look using my Colourpop Garden Variety Palette. So I just purchased this one recently, and I'm gonna link up here the Colourpop holes or eyeshadow holes that I have splurged myself in. So this one is the Garden Variety Palette. It is a pressed powder palette, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial, swatches, and my final review regarding this palette. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. So guys, this is the packaging. I was amazed with the packaging. It has some succulents here. This is the front and this is the back. At the back of this packaging are the names of the palette, and it's a cardboard packaging. So this is the shade of the palette. Nice color, shimmery. There are mattes and shimmers for you to play with. It doesn't come with a mirror, which is not bad, but it is better if it has a mirror, so that when you do your makeup, you don't have to use other mirror but the mirror from this one. So this is the shade. I love this one. It's calling me. So I'm gonna do swatches of this palette for you guys. So for the first row here, I'm gonna do the deserted. This one is deserted. This is very nice for highlight. The next row is Herbivore. Nice shimmery shade. The next is Synergy. Just gonna tip my finger. It has a creamy consistency and soft. Next one is Wavelength. Just gonna clean my hands. So next is Prickly Please. This is the first row of the palette. The next is, I'm gonna just swatch it for you. So this one is Third Eye. Nice golden shimmery color. Next is Best Buds. Nice shimmery green, very pigmented. And next is Smudge Off. Nice shimmery pink. And the other one is Don't Leave. Don't Leave. Over the Bloom. Nice peachy color as well. It has shimmers in it. Let me clean my fingers. Stay Sharp shade. This is the last row. It's a brown color. Next is Sucker for You. Nice shimmery color too as well. This one is Stuck on You. Matte color. This is very good for ooh, look at that, how pigmented. It's a matte brown color. So these are all the shades in the garden variety. It is it's the swatches, you guys. So nice colorful eyeshadow. You can create neutral looks or pop of color with using this palette. So this is the one that I have created too as well. So I hope you like the look. And I'm using the eyelashes Foam Mix from Pro Beauty Essentials. It is a 5-pair lashes. So it's for $9.99. So I was looking for a wisp kind of look, dramatic look eyelashes. So my final thoughts for this palette. First off, I love the packaging. Minus that they don't have the mirror, which is supposed to be, or much better if they put a mirror in each palette to make it easier. I recommend also that each of the eyeshadows have its names under it to make it easier for us to, know the names of the eyeshadow instead of also names just on the back. It would be very hard. And one thing that I've noticed, there are some pigments that are having a kick off on the palette, and some also shadows have fall off when you apply it, but that's okay, I don't mind. But with the formulation, the formula is good. The formula is very blendable and creamy and very pigmented. So yeah, I didn't have hard time in blending all the colors of this shade, and I am so loving the color story of this. You can create matte colors, neutral colors using this, or some corally shade, or deeper purples with a pop of green. And also I like this one, this shade, golden one. So yeah, you can create lots of looks. A very good palette to purchase, very affordable, and very pigmented lids. So definitely the best buy. So yeah, I recommend this palette. This is very good for everyday. You can use it also for everyday use, and also for, you can create some deepened looks with this one. So yeah, I am excited to play more of this palette and create more looks, neutral and more pop of colors, more of this purple colors and deeper shades here. Yeah, and one thing that I also don't really like is that they are messy, a little bit messy because of the kickoff. I tried cleaning it up, but yeah, it doesn't go easily. So yeah, that's just the downfall of this palette. But overall, it's a good palette to purchase, affordable, lots of shadow looks that you can create with. And yeah, this Colourpop has a very good quality eyeshadows, as well as also some of their products. So definitely a best buy for me. So I think this is all for my video for today, and please let me know in the comments down below what you think of the look that I have created. And if you have also the same kind of palette that I have, please let me know also your comments down below on your experience, on what you think about the palette. I would really love to hear from you guys, and just a conversation in the comments down below with this palette. And yeah, this is so good. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated. And I'll see you on my next tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day. Thank you, and see you. Bye.